Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make something very different from these circles. See, I have cut so many circles and a ring here, and I just covered the ring with purple paper. Then I take a thread and then I'll just cut it. After that, I'll just put the thread on the floor. We'll put red, gray, blue, yellow, blue again, and black circle. And then I'll just place the thread on these circles. Later, I'll just put some glue on the same colors of the circles and we'll start pasting on the previous circles. See how beautiful they are looking. Now, I have made a string from them. Next, what we have to do, I have prepared so many strings like that. Now what I have to do, I'll just attach all the strings on this ring. Let's start doing this. So 1, 2, and similarly I'll do all of it in the same manner. Now see how beautiful and magical circles dancing here. Let's see what we have made. This cat is just searching something under them. Wow. So it is a complete, cute, super chandelier for your room decor. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and like the video and share for motivation. Thank you.